फिर दोबारा आपने बंगाली से शुरू किया है।
आई नो, पता नहीं क्या हो गया तुझे।
क्या हर बार आप बंगाली गानों से ही सुनाओगे? और इसमें तो बेस्ट डायरेक्टेड होना चाहिए था और गाना होना चाहिए था। गाना भी नहीं है, वो बैठ के गा गई वैसे ही बिना
हाँ
ढोल के।
देखो। So by the way, I lost the sound near the end. खैर चलो. Uh, I love singing without accompaniment, without instrument, just the voice. The Gane, I mean, like you heard Lata, Shreya, and Rafi sing every once in a while, Kishore Kumar, without any accompaniment. Itna acha lagta hai. It's so beautiful. And the instruments are there not to hide the all the problems. Okay. So this was Amolo Dhabulo. It's a Rabindra Sangeet from a movie called Utsav. It was directed by Ritu Parno Ghosh. I don't know, you're probably not familiar with Ritu Parno Ghosh.
I've just heard slightly that he was a very famous director.
Yeah, very famous director, actor, writer, lyricist. He won more than 12 awards around the world for direction. He was also flamboyant, gay, openly gay. Unfortunately, he passed away at very young age, at age of 49. I'll
Yeah.
tell you a little story. So one of his movies, I don't know if this was the one or another one, it was having his opening in Bombay. And so I was there, my wife was there, we had some actors, friends with us, and so forth. So we were invited to the premiere of the movie. Ritu Parna was there, and we went inside. Yeah, itni lambi, lots and lots of dialogue, women talking, subtitles hote hain na, so they generally have one line subtitle, three lines of subtitles, boom, 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 chal raha hai. Oh my God. Anyway, so, and we were hungry, so we decided ki chodo, theek hai, we'll
हो
watch
गया।
it some other time, so nikal jate hain. So we all left while the movie is going on. In the lobby, it was a bar hai, lobby hai, very nice. Ritu Parno with his very flamboyant clothes, and he used to have a chunni all the time,
हम्म,
real chunni actually,
हम्म।
you know, a chunni topi lagayi hui chupi, and he's pacing back and forth. And everybody left, but he recognized me. He says, Kiholo, what happened? Are you going to the bathroom or something? I said, what could I say that I'm going out to have a drink. So I said, yeah, I was going to go to the bathroom. He says, then he starts asking me question, very nervous. Are people liking it? Are they laughing? Are they saying, no. How can you now
फंस गए, फंस गए।
how can I leave?
हाँ,
बेचारा डायरेक्टर खड़ा हुआ है. I mean,
हाँ।
as a fellow director, I can totally empathize with him. उसको छोड़ के थोड़ी. So everybody left. I had to go back watch the
फिनिश द
movie.
मूवी। that was a bond of director to director bond.
Yeah. Yeah.
Yeah, okay,
Anyway,
how?
translate the few lines just in case somebody's interested. It's called Amolo Dhabulo, Amolo Dhobolo, and people can find it from movie Utsav, Utsab. So it is a breeze strikes the sail. Never have I seen such sailing. It ferries treasures across the ocean, sets my mind adrift, intends to leave behind all wishes, and so forth. Tagore ka hai. It's beautiful. Anyway,
लवली,
chalo, aage chalo.
लवली। तो आज हम थोड़ा नया एक्सपेरिमेंट कर रहे हैं, सो बेयर विद अस एवरीवन, विच इज बेस्ट पिक्चराइज्ड एंड बेस्ट डायरेक्टेड सॉन्ग्स। फर्स्ट थिंग टू डिस्कवर इज ये वर्ड पिक्चराइज्ड इटसेल्फ डजंट एग्जिस्ट आउटसाइड ऑफ देसी इंग्लिश। ये पिक्चराइज्ड, पिक्चर्ड होता है वर्ड, पिक्चराइज्ड मेरे ख्याल से वर्ड नहीं है।
पंजाबी word है ना.
पिक्चराइज कितना है ना चीज़ा नू ऐसे होता है, तो पिक्चराइज क्या?
There's another word which
हाँ,
is used in Hindi cinema called situation.
सिचुएशन।
Okay.
तो अब बताओ ये बेस्ट पिक्चराइज्ड क्या चीज़ है?
A best picture is very difficult to define. It's first of all something which remains with you. It is maybe best directed. Maybe the camera angles are wonderful. Maybe it has a subtext that something is going on and something else is being said and so forth. Song has to be beautiful, of course, but there are different uh, uh, aspects. DPs. The thing have to be. It has to be integral to the story. Something unusual. Um, like we will show in examples, different kinds of examples and so forth. What do you think?
आपने जो वर्ड बोला ना सिचुएशन, वो
हाँ.
सिर्फ हिंदी हिंदी सिनेमा के अंदर ही ये चीज़ है कि सिचुएशन भी अच्छी होनी चाहिए, लिरिक्स भी अच्छे होने चाहिए, म्यूजिक भी अच्छा होना चाहिए, पिक्चराइजेशन भी अच्छी होनी चाहिए, एंड अल्टीमेटली डायरेक्टर्स मीडियम है तो डायरेक्टर हैज़ टू हैव सम मीजन्स ऑन सम आइडिया कि ये कैसे, हाउ द होल पीसेस गेट पुट टुगेदर, एंड
Well,
दैट इज इम्पोर्टेंट.
the situation thing used to be आजकल तो आइटम गाना होता है ना कि if you're
हाँ
walking down the street 30 people will in yellow clothes will join you and sing with you, you know, and dance with you. तो पुराने ज़माने में you had to get the right situation. I remember मदन मोहन की इंटरव्यू थी and he had composed Naina Barse Rimchim Rimchim. And for
ब्यूटिफुल सॉन्ग.
15, 20 years, he quote unquote situation nahi mili, he says, where he could thoko it in a movie, you know. And then, this wo kaun thi aa gayi, to usme laga diya, you know.
हाँ हाँ, एंड द सॉन्ग ऑब्वियसली आउटलास्ट द मूवी. और
Yeah,
एस डी बर्मन का भी सिचुएशन का बड़ा सेंसिटिविटी थी. अब हमने बात की थी पिछली बार, मोहे गोरा रंग ले ले,
right.
उसको इतना टेंशन हुआ कि इसके अंदर हीरोइन कैन नॉट बी आउटसाइड वॉकिंग इन द फील्ड्स, ही हैज टू बी इंडोर्स. तो इस तरह की, दीज वर इंपॉर्टेंट पार्ट्स ऑफ पिक्चराइजेशन.
Yeah, yeah, yeah. So,
तो शुरू करते हैं. तो विल
acha,
स्टार्ट विद थ्री क्लासिक्स. So
okay.
three classics from 50s and 50s, mostly all of them are late. One is 49. And we will talk about why these are three classics. First, I'll select two. One, I think, classic that comes to mind is from 1949, song Aayega Aane Wala from Mahal. And as I was doing preparation for this, why I liked that song and why that was so well picturized, I discovered something very interesting story behind Mahal and particularly Aayega Aane Wala. वो ये कि all best picturized songs have to have a master director of photography involved.
Mm-hmm.
And iske andar director of photography was a fellow called Joseph Wershing, German, from Munich. And I said, 1949, Joseph Wershing ji kya kar rahe the? How it that he showed up? And the backstory is very interesting because it tells us very interesting part about 1935 में 1935 में एक मूवी बनी थी बाय बॉम्बे टॉकीज प्रोड्यूसर, very famous guy, Himanshu Rai, and he made a movie called The Light of Asia. And that was a religious movie on Buddha. And he made it in English and obviously, I think, in Hindi also. And to make the movie and raise funds, he went to Germany and found a director, Franz, over there, and they both decided. And they didn't have the technical skills at that time in Lahore. The film industry pre-partition was in Lahore. तो उन्होंने कहा कि अपना क्रू लेके आओ, और जोसेफ जी आए, और जोसेफ जी was there, and everybody loved him so much. The movie was a bomb. Right? Movie was a bomb in India. Nobody cared about it. Siddharth की कहानी है, English में बता रहे हो. USA could not figure out how is it that a prince becomes a pauper, and that's the highlight of the movie. इतनी बड़ी कहानी बनाई है और उसके तो इन्वर्स होता है. Usually the pauper becomes a prince.
I
तो
know.
तो वो भी फेल हो गई. तो but the good news of that was that Franz, जो डायरेक्टर, जो डीपी था, जोसेफ, he made 30-40 films, lived in India for rest of his life.
Oh my God.
20 of these were with talkies, Bombay talkies. And it gets more interesting how he got into Mahal. When Second World War broke out, he was a German. He was actually interned in India. उसको जेल में डाल दिया. सेकेंड वर्ल्ड वॉर हो रही है, जर्मनी से बंदा है, बड़ा खुफिया होगा, डेंजरस होगा. एंड फॉर 6-7 years he was in the jail in India. Director. He comes out and he's pauper again. He's looking for job. And Kamal Amrohi says कि हाँ, this guy had a good track record once. I'm making Mahal. इसको लेते हैं. And Mahal की कहानी ये है कि इसकी बहुत beautiful first time it was the Asian horror film out of India. और उसके and it was a seminal movie because of obviously the song, breakout movie for Madhubala, breakout movie for Lata Mangeshkar, of course, and for Kamal Amrohi. And second movie we're going to talk about, which everybody knows about, is Mughal-e-Azam. प्यार किया तो डरना क्या. उसकी कहानी ये है कि एक गाने की पिक्चराइजेशन में उन्होंने इतना पैसा खर्चा कि एट दैट टाइम एंटायर मूवीज कुड बी मेड फॉर फंडिंग ऑफ वन. उसके सेट बनाने में ही 2 साल लग गए. तो नेचुरली वो दे वर सीरियस अबाउट पिक्चराइजेशन एट दैट टाइम. वो घिस घिस के उन्होंने बेल्जियम ग्लास से बनाए शीशे वगैरह, विच वॉज रिफ्लेक्टिंग, बिकेम अ टेक्निकल हेडेक फॉर द डीपी. But of course, it was originally shot in black and white, and I think later on colorized. And we talked about it in Madhubala episode also. So those are two of my favorite songs. I want to start by showing the picturization. आपका कुछ है?
तो इन दोनों के बीच में मेरा एक चॉइस है, मेरी एक चॉइस है. So
हाँ.
and the reason it's in there is because there are love songs, there are songs of separation, and there are, Rocky songs and birthday songs. This is a murder song.
है.
वो मर्डर हो
ओके.
रहा है
हाँ.
और उसके ऊपर बड़ा अच्छा गाना बना है, लाइक
चलो.
अनबिलीवेबली ब्यूटीफुल सॉन्ग मर्डर के ऊपर। फोटोग्राफी ठीक नहीं है, एक्टिंग ठीक है,
सिचुएशन ठीक है.
सिचुएशन ठीक है। मर्डर मर्डर सॉन्ग
चलो सुनते हैं.
दिखाओ फिर।
दीपक बगैर जैसे परवान जल रहे हैं, कोई नहीं चलाता और तीर चल रहे हैं, कोई नहीं चलाता और तीर चल रहे हैं, तड़पेगा कोई कब तक बेआस बेसहारे, तड़पेगा कोई कब तक बेआस बेसहारे, लेकिन ये कह रहे हैं दिल के मेरे इशारे, आएगा 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 आने वाला, आएगा आएगा आएगा। जिंदगी की शाम जिंदगी की शाम तुझे गले लगाऊं मैं, तुझी में डूब जाऊं मैं, जहाँ को भूल जाऊं मैं, बस एक नजर मेरे सनम, अलविदा अलविदा
तो when जब शूटिंग होती है, तो one of the things which everybody does, just before you say action, on this side of the camera, somebody waves his arms around like this, just to see if something is being if that action is being reflected, because the movement, कोई mirror है या किसी के ऊपर कोई शीशा लगा हुआ है और shining surface, there is shining surface, so that you can see that, that's how you find out. This is for just one little reflection on one little, shining surface. Yeah, 1,000 mirrors hai. How the hell do you shoot it? Think about it. How do you shoot all that without the camera being showing up in this thing?
Yeah.
Which is why most of the time, although the things are changing now, mirror scenes are almost always done from an angle. You आजकल अब technique आ गई है, so how did you do this thing? But generally it's easier to show it from an angle. That way you know that stuff.
या इतनी ज्योमेट्री आती है तो वो पता लग जाता है.
हाँ, yeah.
So next song I chose, which technically is not a film song. It's a song from a TV series called Jubilee, which came out a couple of years ago. And what I liked about this song is that the director Vikramaditya Motwane, who's very good.
So the non-filmy allowed है? हमको मालूम नहीं था.
ये वो क्लॉज आपने साइन नहीं किया था जिसके अंदर वी कैन मेक द रूल्स एज वी गो
So
अलोंग.
then I'm going to cheat maybe later on.
तो आप तो ठीक है, आपने भी क्लॉज पढ़ा है, मैंने भी पढ़ा, देख लेंगे.
Maybe I'll put
हाँ,
something.
तो वैसे तो हिंदी गाने थे, आपने बंगाली से शुरू कर दिया, तो वहीं आपने
I
रूल तो
know,
पहले
I
आपने
know.
तोड़ा.
I'm going to put something difficult maybe later on. Let me go do some research.
अच्छा. तो एनीवे जुबली का एक गाना है उड़न खटोला. व्हाट आई लाइक्ड अबाउट इट and it's a beautifully photographed song. And this particular clip is just the making of. Is that the craft of song shooting was so difficult, particularly in Hindi cinema, because gaane ho rahe hain, music chal raha hai, and the actors had to stand, and orchestra had to be playing live right next to right next to the actors, and this was, of course, 1940s. So that I thought was worth sharing and appreciating, and happens to be a fantastic song by lyrics by Kausar Munir and music, of course, by Amit Trivedi, who did a fantastic job of recreating the music style of 1940s, right down to the nasal twang of the singers.
उड़े उड़न खटोले नयनों के तेरे, उड़े उड़न खटोले नयनों के मेरे, अखियां मले जमाना जमाना,
डोले प्रेम हिंडोले तन मन में मेरे, डोले प्रेम हिंडोले तन मन में तेरे, कैसे हिले जमाना जमाना।
बन की तू चिड़िया बन के चंदनिया, गगन से करती है बतिया मेरी,
तू भी तो है रसिया, गाए भी बलसिया, तेरी दीवानी सारी सखियां मेरी। जले प्रेम के दिए हृदय में मेरे, ओ जले प्रेम के दिए हृदय में तेरे, कैसे ना जले जमाना जमाना।
उड़े उड़न खटोले नयनों के तेरे, उड़े।
And the connection between Mahal song and this is that the Jubilee entire TV show on Amazon was made on the story of Himanshu Rai and Devika Rani, which we talked about, who was a producer of Bombay Talkies. Very interesting. Loved it. And other next one, which I'm going to jump to, is another good song, favorite song many decades later. वो है 1942 लव स्टोरी का एक लड़की ने देखा. Came out in 1994, Vidhu Vinod Chopra. I think it's a fantastic movie in terms of movie was very good hit, unique theme, beautifully photographed. And as I was doing some work on this, I realized इसका director जो है Binod Pradhan. And उसकी कहानी बड़ी मजेदार है because these songs are made by the DPs. Sorry, DP of director, I meant director of photography. Binod Pradhan was, came from, I think, Northeast, one of the Assam या Shillong से, and struggled for many years to get a break, and was FTII के अंदर गया था to study cinematography until he got a break in जाने भी दो यारों, and then after that he took off. इसकी photography बहुत बढ़िया है. So let me play that song.
Wait a minute.
हाँ.
So this is one of the fantastic songs, one of the last songs which R.D. composed, very well sung, photography अच्छी है, and I hate the beginning of the scene and direction. इतना अच्छा गाना, वो नाइट सूट पहन के वो उछल कूद रहा है पागलों की तरह. Why is that necessary? खिड़की पे चुपचाप बैठ के गाना गा सकता था, चाय पी के गाना. इतना उछल कूदना, it messed up for me. I got very upset.
अच्छा,
मेरी कोई सुनता नहीं है.
I think वो जो लाल नाइट सूट था, that did you in. शनील का, he was a rich man.
But इतना acrobatics करने की क्या जरूरत है? Such a nice song.
Satin का. चलो देखते हैं. Let's bear through it.
एक लड़की को देखा तो ऐसा लगा जैसे सुबहों का रूप, जैसे सर्दी की धूप, जैसे बीना की तान, जैसे रंगों की जान, जैसे बल खाए मेल, जैसे लहरों का खेल, जैसे खुशबू लिए आए ठंडी हवा। एक लड़की को देखा तो ऐसा लगा ओ, एक लड़की को देखा तो ऐसा लगा, एक लड़की को देखा तो ऐसा लगा जैसे नाचता मोर, जैसे रेशम की डोर, जैसे परियों का राग, जैसे संदल की आग, जैसे सोला सिंगार, जैसे रस की फुहार, जैसे आहिस्ता आहिस्ता बढ़ता नशा। एक लड़की को देखा तो ऐसा लगा एक लड़की को देखा तो ऐसा लगा
तो if the director had the courage, वो जो टोपी वो ऐसे करता है ना,
हाँ
उसको फेंक देनी चाहिए थी,
ये
पर नहीं की वो तो मुश्किल हो जाएगी ना फिर, क्योंकि टोपी हैज टू कम अप। सो व्हाट ही कुड हैव डन वाज फेंक देता, फिर कार को रोकता, वो भाग
हाँ
के जाता और टोपी उठा के फिर वापस ले आता। दैट्स व्हाट आई
ये
वुड हैव
कुछ
डन।
देवानंद से सीख लेता, एक छड़ी के ऊपर मच्छी लेके जाता नकली, तो ये भी और संजीव कह रहा है कि ही इज ट्राइंग टू फिगर आउट द कैमरा कैमरा पर्सन कहाँ था
This
इन दिस
must have,
सॉन्ग।
oh, this must have taken hundreds of different takes.
हाँ
ना,
हाँ
कहाँ से?
हाँ हाँ
Did
एंड
we?
बाय दिस टाइम मूविंग कैमरा लाइक
Are we
देयर
going
वाज।
to talk about montage here or later on?
आप बोल देंगे, अभी आने वाला है, वी कैन टॉक अबाउट montage, बट दिस वाज नॉट रियली अ montage, ये तो सीरीज ऑफ।
Yeah, but it moved the story forward, na? Instead
हाँ
of one person sitting there, just as the previous example you gave, wo jhule pe baith. But even there was a montage. It kept different scenes were shown, so the story moved forward as opposed to a person sitting around and
हाँ
crying, you know.
Huh. So, quite right. These kind of songs took a lot of preparation before the advent of CGI and वो जो पहन के जो क्या कहते हैं gimbal जो आजकल होता है बड़ा आसान, drones. Before that, it was a lot of effort, tracking shots and all that stuff. Not easy. While we are at Vidhu Vinod Chopra, I like his work by and large, and especially his photography and his picturization is reasonably good. Uska especially, I'm not going to show Parinda, but Parinda के गाने, unlike in the open field, एक पूरा गाना उसने picturize कर दिया है inside a kitchen, so which was pretty bold of him to do that. But I'm going to show a newer work of his called 12th Fail का एक favorite गाना है बोलो ना। उसके दो वर्जन्स हैं, मेधा शंकर जो एक्ट्रेस है उसने खुद गाया है, एंड दैट्स अ मच मच बेटर वर्जन मूवी के अंदर भी। हालांकि देयर इज अ प्रोफेशनल वर्जन बाय शान एंड आई थिंक श्रेया घोषाल, वो भी बहुत अच्छा है, मतलब दिस पर्टिकुलर वर्जन, ये क्लिप उस गाने का है, इट्स वर्थ वॉचिंग जस्ट बिकॉज ऑफ द वॉइस एंड द वे इट हैज बीन शॉट एंड हाँ, आनंद स्वानंद किरकिरे का लिरिक्स बहुत ही अच्छे हैं, एंड शांतनु मोइत्रा बंगाली आई थिंक अंडररेटेड, आई थिंक इज अ अंडररेटेड कंपोजर।
He's very good. He's very good, you know. So, you know, we had talked about this before, ki importance in film acting are the reactions. not just what somebody is saying, but how the other person is listening and how he or she is reacting. Look at his expressions, the innocence and the inner happiness and so forth. This guy is good. I mean, I've seen him, we've seen him in a few more movies. I don't remember which ones. Can I have Victor
When
Macy?
Vikrant Massey.
Massey,
He
yeah.
became
He's
famous, I
good.
think, at a TV show आया था मिर्जापुर, उसके अंदर he played a role.
Oh, he was in Mirzapur.
हाँ.
Yeah, he's good. He's good. I was very impressed, especially the expressions in this song are really very good. So,
Yeah, Sanjeev is saying in his series on his cycle ride along the Ganga. अच्छा Shantu Moitra का अच्छा. We will consider Shantu Moitra. उसकी he has enough corpus of work to enjoy Kaj. And I think Vikrant Massey is going to go far. He's so amazing. Amazing. तो this was really good. आप कुछ बताइए क्या आपके शौक हैं कुछ दिखाएं.
so I'll since we're talking about best directed song, we've shown this song 3 times already. So this is a good time for people to take a break. I think I'll go, have a cup of coffee too. So, although we're not showing all, well, we're showing almost 3-4 minutes of it. This is again among, if not the best directed song in Hindi cinema, Mitwa from Devdas. And for those who are not familiar with my rants about it, uh, we know the story. Devdas is dejected after abusing, Paro. But anyway, he becomes a drunkard and he's ruining his life. Come back to the village and goes around, despondent and all that. So that mood had to be covered. Extracted by Bimal Roy of longing and loneliness and solitude, vagara, vagara. And so he chooses to shoot it on a cloudy day. A little bit of rain, rain drops into the pond, and then 1/3 or more of the scene is shot from the back. You don't need to show the face of the song is very beautiful. Sahid wrote it, S.T. Burman composed it, and Dalip Kumar expresses even from 2/3 or from the back, the stuff. In one scene, I think there's just a tree is being shown, and then you can see him come into frame later on. And near the end of it, all you see is oppressive atmosphere and so forth. So beautifully done, and one of Talat's best song, and so forth. So let's watch it.
Let's enjoy.
जब से तुम्हारी डोली गई है पारो, गांव का नक्शा ही बदल गया। जिम्मेदार ने काशी पधार गई। देवदास अक्सर यहाँ आता है, लेकिन सिर्फ अपने भाई से झगड़ा करने और रुपए लेने। उधर रुपए मिलते हैं, इधर चल देता है। उसके पिता को मरे 2.5 साल हो गए, लेकिन इतने ही अरसे में उसने आधी दौलत उड़ा डाली। मैं तो कहती हूँ पारो, भगवान ने अच्छा ही किया जो तुम्हारी शादी उससे ना होने थी। वो इन दिनों फिर गांव आया हुआ है। दिन भर बंदूक हाथ में लिए चिड़िए मारा करता है। जब बहुत धूप से सर बोल उठता है तो किसी पेड़ के नीचे चुपचाप बैठकर कुछ सोचा करता है। लगता है जैसे कोई बिरही है।
व्याकुल जियरा व्याकुल नैना व्याकुल जियरा व्याकुल नैना एक एक चुप में सौ सौ बैना रह गए आंसू लुट गए राग। मितवा मितवा मितवा
What's interesting is we did a whole episode on Bimal Roy, and Bimal Roy के बाकी गाने भी बहुत बढ़िया हैं. He is master at picturization and craftsmanship of that.
Next,
Next, कौन सा बताएं जी?
पाकीज़ा करते हैं.
हाँ, पाकीज़ा करें?
Yeah, there are many songs, all of them are good. Chalte Chalte particularly is a classic,
हाँ
1972 का है.
हाँ
And the apart from beautiful song and the setting, there were some issues here.
हाँ
Meena Kumari, Pakistan took a long time to be made.
हाँ
Meena Kumari gained weight. She was also not well. She was never a great dancer, and now she could not really dance. So, but she's a dancer in the movie. She's a singer and dancer movie. तो कैसे उसको तो करना ही है, उसके ऊपर ही करना है. मेरे हो कौन करेगा? But that was brilliant. So Kamal Amroy, right?
हाँ
He puts two Kathak dancers next to her, even though she's the one who's the main person and so forth.
हाँ
And they are the ones dancing, not huge, sporting things, simple Kathak moves and so forth,
हाँ
very elegant, very nice, slowly going with the beat, and your eye goes to that. And you don't
हाँ
have to, so it compensates for whatever could not be done. In fact, makes it much, much better. That's number one. Secondly, if everybody remembers, ये चिराग बुझ रहे हैं मेरे साथ जलते जलते.
yes
तो ये चिराग बुझ रहे हैं, and it pauses. Somebody had to decide कि 14 seconds तक चिराग बुझते जाएंगे.
that's right.
चिराग बुझ रहे हैं 1 2 3 4. कोई if you told that to somebody in a studio, वो दिमाग खराब हुआ है, कौन बैठा रहेगा 14 मिनट.
गाने को पॉज कर दिया आपने बीच में. हाँ
Yeah, but it works. It's so unusual, very rarely done. It's very literal. वो चिराग एक के बाद बुझा रहे हैं, चलो ठीक है. But it works very, very well. So
let's listen to it, and then we will address a very important question our engineer friend Sanjeev has asked about relationship between a movie director and director of photography. We'll come back to that. Let's enjoy Chirag Bujh Rahe Hain.
बुझ रहे हैं मेरे साथ जलते जलते, मेरे साथ जलते जलते, ये चिराग बुझ रहे हैं.
Wow, wow, wow. By the way, one guess. Who was the director of photography on this song and this movie Pakiza?
You're going to say something shocking, right?
Shocking. Joseph Joseph Wershing 1949 में इसने महल की थी. And by the way, he had died in 1967. So this movie was in production for 20 साल तक बनती रही थी धीरे धीरे.
Yeah.
And this was the only color photography he did a beautiful job. And he was long gone for years when the movie came out and he was recognized for his work. Quirks of, strange quirk. And then another direct and a very famous DP, VK Murthy, we're going to talk about in a second, took over and did some of the work. तो
So ये क्वेश्चन आया है.
बहुत इंपॉर्टेंट क्वेश्चन आया है. हमारे जो इंजीनियरिंग दोस्त हैं उन्होंने कहा है कि रिलेशनशिप बिटवीन डायरेक्टर फोटोग्राफी, मूवी डायरेक्टर एंड डायरेक्टर फोटोग्राफी क्या होती है व्हेन यू कंपेयर टू इंजीनियरिंग? इज इट लाइक प्रोडक्ट मैनेजमेंट, सॉफ्टवेयर वाले एंड डायरेक्टर ऑफ इंजीनियरिंग जो कोडर्स
तो
हैं?
तू इंजीनियर है, तो इंजीनियर की बात कर. तो हम
आप पहले बताइए असलियत क्या है, फिर मैं बताऊंगा, ये
So
ट्रांसलेट करूंगा.
for the larger movies, bigger movies, the process is different. Studios, people wearing suits, things go in multiple directions and so forth. For independent filmmakers like me, the although in my mind, the actors are there, and I was, contacting Roshan and Saeed Jaffrey, vagara, vagara, 4 different directions. I had, auditions held in London, New York, Bombay, Delhi, Pittsburgh, all that is going on separately. But the main person, the first person I had to get was DP. And my friend John Rice was a brilliant director. And you see, I had in the beginning, I had small knowledge of being on sets and so forth, but I had huge theoretical knowledge, having read 20, 30 books, attended seminars, workshops, yeah, wo hai. But there are hundreds of little things about, like I just explained, about moving your hands and all that. This is not given in books and all. You have to be on the set to know little things and like that. Or that how long will it take to do a tracking shot? कि difficulty. मैंने तो कह दिया कि okay, let's do a tracking shot from here to there. Ab, I didn't realize in my backyard, we were shooting in my backyard, one of the scenes, took half a day because the backyard is sloping, is uneven, and I want a driving shot. It can't be jerking around like, quote unquote, all these young modern people do that. I mean, it took forever. I mean, he knew, so he told me, no, this day, if you want a tracking shot, it's going to take half a day. Secondly, he's the one who pretty much hires the rest of the crew, lighting wale log, because he knows what lighting he wants and so forth, and all the crew people mostly come from him and so forth, so he pretty much runs the whole set, and the assistant director. It's extremely important, the right hand person. I spent most of my time talking to him rather than the actors vagara vagara, which here and there, I would give some direction and all that stuff.
So true. So true. Sanjeev, the way I think about it, it's not quite like the PM who defines the what and engineering who delivers on the how of it. It's more interesting to me to realize that it's a creative endeavor and depends on director. Director might be a very visual director or might not be a visual director, might be more like a writing and acting and wants to focus on the moments that the actors have. DP has to bring all of that to life. And so much of the world-class DPs create emotion without even, they know how to paint with light. There's a very famous set of documentaries on painting with light. So think of these guys are painters of light.
Many of the directors were also cinematographer.
That's right.
Shimam, he directed movie one, I think, what was that, Terrorist or whatever, won an award for
So
it.
yeah.
Satyajit Ray was primarily operating his own camera, because he wanted to see what was going on. By the way, before I start shooting my film, I spent, I don't know how many months going to each and every location with my DP. Went with him in advance to every location and visualized ki, this is what's going to happen, here's where we want the camera, here is the height of the camera, here is the lens ki 50 millimeter hai ya 33 jo bhi hai, whatever, all that was decided much in advance. It changed during the shooting, of course, but that was done. आगे
Love.
चले.
आगे चलते हैं. Now we're going to come to all-time classic song 1959 Gurudat movies कागज के फूल. Song is वक्त ने किया. क्या
लो
हंसी सितम.
कितनी बार करना पड़ेगा ये?
ये बहुत ही खूबसूरत गाना है और इट इज कंसिडर्ड बाय मेनी पीपल among the top 3 to 5 songs of Hindi cinema and more importantly as a best picturized song. बहुत कमाल की पिक्चराइजेशन है इस गाने की. और व्हाट्स इंटरेस्टिंग इज लाइक एवरी क्रिएटिव आर्ट, एस डी बर्मन का म्यूजिक है, कैफे आजमी के लिरिक्स हैं, एंड द डीपी वी के मूर्ति हु वाज अ लॉन्ग टाइम डीपी ऑफ गुरुदत्त. By the way, V.K. Murthy was brought in on Pakiza after Joseph died to finish the photography. So obviously, these were very highly coveted experts in their field at that time. And V.K. Murthy की इसमें एक scene है बहुत ही खूबसूरत, considered by many as a classic scene of Hindi cinema, where two people are approaching and there is a light, a beam of light coming. And at that time, it was very hard to figure out कैसे करें. And this was natural sunlight. एंड डायरेक्टेड बाय 2 mirrors. दैट्स इट. तो ये क्रिएटिविटी थी गुरुदत्त की और उसकी वी के मूर्ति की. एंड इट क्रिएटेड अ mesmerizing experience.
तो
सुनते
ऐसा कर, if you don't mind, play just this song and nothing else, because I have some. I just thought of some many things, about that. Let's talk about this a little bit.
ओके ओके गाना सुनते हैं.
जाएंगे कहाँ सूझता नहीं, चल पड़े मगर रास्ता नहीं. जाएंगे कहाँ सूझता नहीं, चल पड़े मगर रास्ता नहीं. क्या तलाश है कुछ पता नहीं, बुन रहे हैं दिल ख्वाब दम बदम. वक्त ने किया क्या हंसी सितम, तुम रहे न तुम, हम रहे न हम. वक्त ने किया.
What this is a बदलना song. बदल चीजें बदल गई. I mean, there are probably hundreds, probably thousands of songs on this theme, no? I mean, you can think of some. दोस्त दोस्त ना रहा, प्यार प्यार ना रहा, जिंदगी हमें तेरा, famous song from Sangam. This Begum Akhtar, अब छलकते हुए सागर नहीं देखे जाते. You know that, right?
Yes, beautiful.
अब छलकते हुए सागर नहीं देखे जाते, तौबा के बाद ये मंजर नहीं देखे जाते. So the lines which I'm thinking of right now is, हमने देखा है ज़माने का बदलना, लेकिन तेरे उनके बदले हुए तेवर नहीं देखे जाते. तो there's another one, also sung by Begum Akhtar. उसने जब त्योरी बदल कर बात गई, मिट गई दुनिया मेरे जज्बात की. और बहुत है. आशा भोंसले, साहिब बीबी और गुलाम, बदले बदले, नो चौदहवें का चांद, सॉरी लता, बदले बदले मेरे सरकार नज़र आते हैं, घर की बर्बादी के आसार नज़र आते हैं. बदली तेरी नज़र तो मैं बोलता जाऊं, ठीक है?
सुनाओ सुनाओ, बहुत बढ़िया.
बदली तेरी नज़र तो नज़ारे बदल गए, ये चांद, दिस वन, बदली तेरी नज़र तो नज़ारे बदल गए, ये चांदनी वो चांद सितारे बदल गए. दिस इज फ्रॉम बड़ी बहू, old movie and so forth. So there is a, let's see, what else can I think of? Ahmad Faraz had this famous ghazal. Ghulam Ali sang that. अब के तजदीद वफा का नहीं इम्कान हो जाना. समझ आया
ना? ट्रांसलेट करो.
तजदीद वफा is renewal of faithfulness, renewal of relationship. इम्कान is possibility. अब के तजदीद वफा का नहीं इम्कान जाना, अब नहीं होने वाला है. याद क्या तुझको दिलाएं तेरा पैमा जाना. अब क्या ज़रूरत है, to tell you about your promises, कि when we know there is no chance of hooking up again.
That's right.
Anyway, the reason I remember this one is because there's a couplet share in it which is very relevant. यूं ही मौसम की अदा देख के याद आया है, यूं ही मौसम की अदा देख के याद आया है, किस कदर जल्द बदल जाते हैं इंसान जाना। कि जैसे मौसम बदल जाता है,
Ah,
तो ऐसे हो जाता है। So anyway, so there was let's think up. There's another one which, like a gift to everybody who doesn't know it. This one, many people would not know it. Himayat Ali Shayer. Shayer उसका तकल्लुफ़ था, उसका
अच्छा,
Himayat Ali was this thing. Noor Jahan sang this, one of her best ghazals. तो उसकी सुनाते हैं कुछ।
सुनाइए।
Um, हर कदम पर हर नए सांचे में ढल जाते हैं लोग। सुना है?
जी नहीं।
हर कदम पर हर नए, आई डोंट थिंक द वीडियो अवेलेबल, बट दोज हु आर इंटरेस्टेड, बहुत अच्छा गाया हुआ है, लुक इट अप ऑन यूट्यूब और वेयर एवर। हर कदम पर नित नए सांचे में ढल जाते हैं लोग, देखते ही देखते कितने बदल जाते हैं लोग। किस लिए कीजिए किसी गुमगश्ता जन्नत की तलाश। गुमगश्ता गुम हो,
लॉस्ट।
लॉस्ट, मिसगाइडेड, whatever। किस लिए कीजिए किसी गुमगश्ता जन्नत की तलाश, जबकि मिट्टी के खिलौनों से बहल जाते हैं लोग। The one share which I'll come to that at the end, but this is a very beautiful share, so I'll सुना देते हैं। मुश्किल है थोड़ा, I'll translate। शम्मा की मानिंद अहले अंजुमन से बेनियाज। शम्मा मीन्स कैंडल, मानिंद उसकी तरह, अहले अंजुमन लोग जो बैठे हुए हैं, बेनियाज indifferent, like the candle which gives light but is indifferent to the people around her। उसको कुछ फर्क नहीं पड़ता कोई तू बैठा है कि नहीं बैठा है, तो सुन। शम्मा की मानिंद अहले महफिल अहले अंजुमन से बेनियाज, अक्सर अपनी आग में चुपचाप जल जाते हैं लोग। So many times we have whatever anger, disappointment या जो भी है, and indifferent of क्या हो रहा है, but खुद ही जल जाते हैं। Anyway, the last one is it has nothing to do with the rest of the stuff, but it's उलाम्बा जिसे बोलते हैं ना, जिसमें
हाँ हाँ,
पंजाबी में
उलंबा आया ਤੁਹਾਨੂੰ
शायर
ਦੱਸੋ।
उनकी दोस्ती का अब भी दम भरते हैं आप, अब भी कहते हैं कि हाँ हमारा दोस्त है। शायर उसका नाम है। शायर उनकी दोस्ती का अब भी दम भरते हैं आप, ठोकरें खाकर तो सुनते हैं संभल जाते हैं लोग। अब कितनी बार तू ठोकर खाएगा, पर तू फिर भी बोलता है कि हमारा दोस्त है ना। It happened to many of us,
Lovely.
You get betrayed or stabbed in the back or disappointed, ठीक है कोई बात नहीं। Anyway, काफ़ी कोटेशन हो गया। तो इस सवाल है, ऑब्जर्वेशन है,
Observation है,
आई
बताइए।
थॉट ऑफ इट, कि जनरली द सॉन्ग्स अबाउट बदलना आर ग्रीवेंसेस,
That's right.
शिकायत है।
That's right.
तुम बदल गए, दिल तोड़ गया, छोड़ के चले गए, क्या
हाँ,
हो गया,
हाँ,
यह
हाँ,
हो
हाँ,
गया।
हाँ।
नॉट इन दिस सॉन्ग। वक्त ने किया क्या कहीं, तूने नहीं किया। शी कुड इजीली से कि तूने गड़बड़ कर दी। वक्त ने किया। Blame is not being assigned here, that time changes people. And that is something I think many of us need to learn. I think that sometimes it's not that people are being bad to us, or sometimes things change. People stop loving you, or you stop loving them, or something. तो इसमें you're an engineer, तो isn't there a concept of entropy? समझाओ क्या होती है?
Entropy क्या? Or the things change. Buddha said, like, अनियतम अनियतम, क्या था? अनियतम अनियतम सर्वम अनियतम।
Everything
Transient, transient, everything is transient.
changes. Yeah. So
Shanikam,
entropy.
Shanikam, Sarvam Shanikam.
So
Momentary,
entropy.
momentary, everything is momentary.
Sorry. Yeah. Yeah. You want to say that again? I interrupted you.
No, I'm just reciting the
Hmm.
what Buddha said as the first noble truth. Anityam, anityam, sarvam anityam, shanikam, shanikam, sarvam shanikam, momentary, momentary, everything is momentary. Shunyam, shunyam, sarvam shunyam, everything is void. And then
Nothing.
dukkham, dukkham, sarvam dukkham.
Everything is. So entropy is a physics term which means although there are people now objecting to this thing, but the universe's basic direction is toward disarray and death.
Things fall apart. As they
Things
say,
fall apart.
second thermodynamic law.
Yeah, things fall. Much of life is maintenance.
Chalo.
Your body falls apart. Doctor ke paas jana hai, your roof starts leaking. Toilets don't work anymore, and so forth. Things are always falling apart, and we are fixing them. But the interesting part, Anurag ji, is that nobody is writing poetry about leaky toilets.
That's right.
We are
Hasi sitam.
Yeah.
Hasi sitam.
Yeah, what we're talking about is the breakdown of changes in relationships.
So, yeah.
तो ऐसी क्या बात है? I mean, why are we doing that? I mean, there's a whole book. You know this book called "Who Moved My Cheese"?
Yes.
Yeah.
Okay, it came out a while ago. Yeah.
Yeah, it's like when things. I mean, we know
How to
things are
handle
gonna-
change.
Yeah, we know things are going to change, and when they change, we are still shocked.
Same
And then
baat.
we say, "Who moved my cheese?"
We are not wired for accepting change. Every religion, Buddhism, Hinduism, koi bhi, the first rule is accepting change. वो तो all prayers rest on that assumption. ये change होगा, आपसे संभला नहीं जाएगा, तो आप focus करिए and accepting the change.
Yeah.
So true. I totally agree.
अब गाने सुनाएगा या
गाने सुनाते हैं. अब एक we are going to do a quick major shift in tone and style. क्योंकि I think one of the key collaboration of best picturized songs came from collaboration between Mani Ratnam, A.R. Rahman, and Santosh Shivam, right? So ये जो trifecta था ना, Santosh Shivam, one of the generation's best DP. Clearly, I had an opportunity to meet him at your film festival, Silk Screen, many years ago, thanks to you. It was a delight, and it was so clear that as if he was walking with a camera attached to his eye. He could only, every scene he would visualize as if, uska rang ye hai, uski move ye hai, uski shape ye hai. Very, very quick-minded, gifted DP, you could see. And himself an accomplished director. He, as you said, he made a movie, Terrorist. I think he was there to show that, perhaps, if I recall correctly. So let's start with the fact that A.R. Rahman ke jingles hote the. And that's how he broke into the movies. And Mani Ratnam gave him a shot. And his breakout first, actually, a movie he wrote music for, composed music for, was Choti Si Aasha. So let's listen to that. And then a few years later came Bombay. The music of that and the composition was also by A.R. Rahman. In both cases, Santosh Shivam was the director. Beautifully done. So वो try करते हैं.
छोटी सी आशा मस्ती भरे मन की
है छोटा सा, छोटी सी आशा, मस्ती भरे मन की भोली सी आशा, चांद तारों को छूने की आशा, आसमानों में उड़ने की आशा। दिल है छोटा सा, छोटी सी आशा। महक जाऊं मैं आज तो ऐसे, फूल बगिया में महके हैं जैसे, बादलों की मैं ओढ़ूं चुनरिया, झूम जाऊं मैं बनके बावरिया, अपनी चोटी में बांध लूं दुनिया। दिल है छोटा सा, छोटी सी आशा, मस्ती भरे मन की भोली सी आशा, चांद तारों को छूने की आशा, आसमानों में उड़ने की आशा। दिल है छोटा सा, छोटी सी आशा।
The A.R. Rahman, that is a Airtel tone, ringtone, and all that. But it was so it's a beautiful, beautiful stuff. I mean, kya baat hai. Those who are interested, it's called Umbe Umbe. It's a Spanish tune and all that. But I like the tune and the way Rahman did it. Anyway, but so Roja, what beautiful photography, है ना?
Amazing.
Yeah, vignettes हैं, but he created a montage with it. So montage is, as everybody knows, is a very important technique in especially in film. It can be done in film, not in literature. Literature में तो कितने page हो जाएंगे ये समझाते समझाते. But you show one image after another, and generally it moves the story forward.
That's right.
So you like do that 12th film में जैसे किया था है ना कि so the song starts and then many no even the before that the old song था जो
1942 लव स्टोरी के अंदर कहानी चल रही है।
उसमें तरह तरह की चीजें हो रही हैं. But the thing is that this one they were showing her emotion, her state of mind, कि छोटी सी आशा, that she's hoping for this and this and she showed her whole life. What her whole life is about, the sense of humor, where playfulness, jo bhi hai, and all the stuff. It's very well done. And there are famous scenes in many movies. They're often done with music, instrumental music in the background. And sometimes they interrupt that, and sometimes they continue with that, and so forth.
Even in classic movies like Godfather, montage usually means if you want to show a lot of action in time lapse, कि 4 साल गुजर गए, he shows series of them, very quick snapshot. हिंदी फिल्मों में तो कपड़े बदल के मोन्टाज हो आता था कि भाई
No,
ये सुबेरे
this,
शाम
yeah, the
चार
song,
कपड़े बदल लिए तो टाइम हो
yeah,
गया.
the song would continue with different antras with different clothes. That means they're meeting over different times and so forth. But Godfather, ka, I mean, near the last scene when he gets has everybody killed. That's a
Exactly.
montage, you know.
Very
It's got
famous
the
montage.
church music going on, you know, baptism ho raha hai, do you take Jesus as your whatever, do you reject Satan, and boom, meanwhile, scene after scene of, you know, the people getting murdered and so forth and all. So last scene, the Bombay tha, it was in the you know, the blast scene from the film Bombay. I could not find the Hindi film equivalent of it. I think this is probably Tamil.
हाँ.
Meera Nair used, this is Bombay theme, very
Yeah.
famous theme
Yeah.
by A.R. Rahman, and Meera Nair used it in one of her. Which film did she make with Tabu? You know, whatever,
Um,
Jhumpa Lahiri's book and all that. Anyway,
yes.
so
Namesake. Namesake.
yeah, I think she used it in. I think that's the film in which she used it. But anyway, it's a beautiful, beautiful theme and all that. So, तो थोड़ी शिकायत करें ये बॉम्बे फिल्म के बारे में.
हाँ, the movie did not hold up. हालांकि concept बड़ा अच्छा था. That's a problem with most of Mani Ratnam movies. The concept and the structure does not quite deliver on the story somehow. ये मेरी complaint है Mani Ratnam के साथ.
Yeah, because I think he gets so carried away in visuals, you know, अच्छे visuals बना के. But Bombay मेरी मुश्किल ये है, which is actually a problem with many social issues or problem issue tackling movies in Indian cinema. तो 2.5 hours of लड़ाई हो रही है, ये हो रहा है, conflict हो रही है, thing love affair हो रहे हैं, ये है वो जो everything happen, and in the end the blast होती है. And you know, Hindu-Muslim issues are going on and all. No, this is a very, very, very serious issue. हमने partition कर लिया. You know, अभी तक लड़ाइयाँ कर रहे हैं for no reason at all and all that. You know, these are serious issues. So this is what is being tackled in the movie, right?
हाँ हाँ.
तो in the end हमारा हीरो इसको सॉल्व कर देता है. कि पता है कैसे सॉल्व कर देता है?
कैसे
वो
करते?
चौक में खड़ा होकर सबको गाली सुनाता है. वो सबको लेक्चर देता है, क्या कर रहे हो, शर्म नहीं आती, ये है वो है, देखो ये क्या है, लोग, और लोग शर्म के मारे चले जाते. Are you kidding me? If I could do that, if I could solve my problem, but just yelling, कई फिल्मों में देखा है. In the end, somebody gives a big speech, और लोग सोचते हैं हाँ ठीक.
सही बात है.
वो फादर मान नहीं रहा कि बेटा शादी करेगा कि गरीब लड़की से, ना सोचते बाद में वो स्पीच दे देता है, तो हाँ ठीक है. Are you, wow.
This was a Hindi फिल्मों के अंदर, especially 60s 70s में, जब they had set up a conflict and they didn't know how to resolve it. तो भाई कहानी बनती जा रही है, वो रिजॉल्व नहीं हो पा रही है, तो किसी को खड़ा होकर एक लेक्चर दे दो, रिजॉल्व हो जाएगी. तो दैट used to be the Greek theater में होता था ना, दो एक्स मशीना की, लाइक आखिर के अंदर some god figure will come and solve the problem. तो हमारा god figure is कि एक भाषण, हम देसी हैं आफ्टर ऑल, हर एक चीज भाषण से सॉल्व हो सकती है. तो एक भाषण दे देंगे, सब सोशल हो जाएगा, ठीक. तो ये होता है.
चलो
आगे चले. इन कंट्रास्ट टू मोन्टाज, संजीव पूछ रहा है कि आर देयर सिंगल टेक सॉन्ग्स?
वही दिखाते हैं फिर.
बिल्कुल सेटअप, इसको पता लग गया, ये भेदी है.
Actually, इसमें दो एंगल हैं, but anyway, we have talked about this. This is again considered by many to be one of the best. Some critic wrote, this is one of the most powerful scenes in the Indian cinema history, in my opinion. And this was a masterpiece. So we have shown this before, so sorry about that. This is from the film Aligarh. Manoj Bajpayee was in it, Rajkumar Rao was in it, Hansul Mehta again directed it. So those who don't know, this is true story. Dr. Srinivas Ramchandra Cyrus is a professor of Marathi in Aligarh University. Classical modern Indian languages and so forth and all that. And he was gay. He's gay. And he gets suspended on the grounds of morality. In fact, his rivals, you know, the other professors who don't like him, break into his place and film him having sex and all that. Uski zindagi barbaad ho jati hai and so forth. So the director decides that he will shoot a scene of showing so he fights in court and all that. It shows a scene of his anguish, his solitude, totally अकेला है, कोई मदद नहीं कर रहा, only one or two people here and there and so forth. So he tells Manoj Bajpayee कि go and prepare a peg, a drink, कैसेट प्लेयर है, उसमें कैसेट डाल के you play a song. And I'll shoot only for 10-15 seconds. कि we just want to show in the darkness अकेला आदमी बैठा हुआ है. So he goes and plays this song. And we talked about this, about the issue which Kurosawa mentions in his book, that often if you play music diametrically opposite to the emotion being conveyed, it has a profound effect. Just like in painting, if you have red, yellow, blue, line, dollar, triangle key, red next to green is generally very beautiful and so forth. And all artists know that and so forth. And of course, it's not so complicated, it's not so easy as is done in often Indian cinema कि ये scene खुशी का है या दुख का है. No, hardly any scene in life is सिर्फ खुशी या सिर्फ दुख का होता है. Even right now, all of us have 4 different emotions going on. We are paying attention to this, we are enjoying the music, we also say कि breakfast नहीं किया अभी तक जाके, या time जा रहा है, इतना बोलते जा रहे हैं ये लोग. All those 4 things are going on. So it's a complicated emotion. Anyway, this guy, solitude, loneliness, जिंदगी बर्बाद हो गई and so forth. And instead of playing कि दुख के अब दिन बीतत नहीं, he plays आपकी नजरों ने समझा प्यार के काबिल मुझे.
No
Totally
connection.
diametrically opposite. So they put the camera in front of him कि 13, 15, 20 seconds करेंगे and we'll do it. However, the expression of Manoj Bajpayee, who internalized the total essence of the character and the pain and the sorrow and the solitude, was so profound that they could not move the camera. Just could not move the camera. They did the whole song. So I don't think we're playing the whole song here because we have done it so many times before. So I'm playing only part of it and so forth. Look at his eyes. Look at it. And this is in darkness. Perfectly done. Perfectly done.
And I think it's multiple takes, but almost like a single take. Let's take a look.
Yeah. Wow.
This is beautiful.
So well acted, and you know how natural it is, because except for singers who पूरा रियाज करते हैं, they sing the whole song along with when they're listening. Generally when we sing, especially if you're sad, ऐसा ही होता है. You sing a few words and you can't keep up, and because your thoughts go somewhere else, and you think of whatever is bothering you and so forth, and you come back to the song and so forth. It doesn't even bother, it doesn't bother wiping his tear to show कि मैं बहुत दुखी हूँ and all. Just keep still. People should frigging take lessons, especially in Indian cinema, कि दुख की बात करनी है तो चिल्लाने की जरूरत नहीं है, माँ क्या हो गया. No, just look at this guy. He doesn't even wipe his tears. Just singing a song, goes quiet in between. He's thinking, what's going on and all. Very well done. Very well. Once in a while magic happens, without planning. This is one of those moments. I mean, there are many moments like that in many other movies. Someday maybe we should talk about that.
We'll talk about special moments. In fact, especially single long tracking shot के अंदर पूरा emotion capture कर दिया. It's master actor only can do it. By the way, Hansal Mehta की 2-3 बहुत ही अच्छी movies हैं. This Aligarh scene did not happen by accident. Manoj Bajpayee ने बहुत बेकार movies भी की हुई हैं. The fact that a master actor like that can be made to perform like this is not an accident. Hansal Mehta की एक दो शाहिद बहुत अच्छी है, फराज बहुत अच्छी है, and I didn't realize his first movie was Dil Pe Mat Le Yaar, which is Tabu ke andar. It's not bad. So he knows the craft. He knows the craft, what he's doing.
I think, not to waste any more further time, but that has been my complaint, especially actors of yesteryear. People like Balraj Sahni, even Dilip Kumar, even Raj Kapoor. I mean, Raj Kapoor को तीसरी कसम में देखो, वो सब तमाशे नहीं कर रहा, capable of so much good work, but the direction was even now, it's only now it's getting better, but even the sensitive direction was not there at that time. Everything was over the top because what we used to do Notanki, which used to be over the top all the time. Khair chalo.
So coming back to another homage, Mani Ratnam, A.R. Rahman.
छोड़ेगा नहीं इनको, हाँ.
बहुत अच्छा लगता है मुझे. This one, again, the same team, Mani Ratnam, A.R. Rahman, Santosh Shivam, at the peak. The thing I did not mention, which I think we all noticed in Choti Si Asha, the vignettes and the montage. The editor also has to be at the peak of their craft. How to edit the scenes. And I realized that Mani Ratnam has had the same editor, Suresh Urs, right? Throughout his movies, most of his movies, and all the movies we just saw, and about a couple of songs we are about to see from Dil Se. Yeah, I think it's the peak of the combination of these four artists, right? In this case, Gulzar also has fantastic lyrics. So, दो गाने हैं. हाँ जी.
So Dil Se, both are good. I told you the story of Chaya Chaya last time, right?
कौन सी वाली? Oh हाँ, आपने बताई थी. You met Chaya Chaya girl at a hotel lobby.
And I didn't know who she was.
हाँ. She had become famous by that time.
Sort of auditioning for my film, and I didn't know who she was. And only when people started paying attention to us and I realized, oh my God, this. Anyway, so Dil Se is, in my opinion, one of Rahman's best songs.
Yeah.
Not the best, but the best is Kehna Hi Kya, which you wanted to include, which I put my foot down कि नहीं करने देंगे. बताएं क्यों लोगों को क्यों?
बता दो. कहना है क्या, गाना इतना खूबसूरत है, फोटोग्राफी इतनी अच्छी है, क्यों हमने रिजेक्ट कर दिया?
Out of thousands of songs which Rahman has done, Kehna Hi Kya and Kanna Line, the Tamil version, is, in my opinion, the number one songs. Unbelievably beautiful, nice structure, अच्छा गाया हुआ है, beautiful words and everything and so forth and all that. So much so that I ration myself to listening to it only once every year or 18 months or 2 years. I would not, तो वो ज़्यादा सुन के घिस जाएगा, So I just keep it as a precious thing and so forth, So considering how beautiful it was, I thought the choice of इधर घूम रहा है, उधर घूम रहा है, उधर झांक रहा है was so juvenile. ये क्या कर दिया? This song deserved so much better than that. So anyway, छोड़ो. That was a personal thing. So Dil Se, two problems. No, not problems, two issues. One is कि it was beautiful visuals, and we are putting it because of the visuals. But visuals are absurd though. They have no real connection, not believable connection to the movie. Story.
कहानी बहुत कमजोर थी. Especially the climax of that movie was bizarre, and the foundational premise was bad. Script has always been a challenge for Mani Ratnam. The power of the script थोड़ा कमजोर है.
I know terrorist है, maybe नहीं है, and all that. वो पीछे आग जल रही है, उधर आग लग रही है. Very irritating. However, the song is very beautiful, and there are live performances, many live performances of these, which are beautiful. So it's going to be a long sequence. So आराम से
सुनते हैं. So what I really liked about the Dil Se songs, the two we're going to show, Chaya Chaya and Dil Se, is Sanjeev was saying, the craftsmanship to pull off a song like Chaya Chaya is not easy. They shot it over probably a month, just to make sure that every shot was perfectly captured from various places, and the camera was placed next to on top of the train, as well as next to it as the train was passing. So you can only imagine how many times the train had to go. And second, I think in Dil Se ka jo title song hai, uske andar jo picturization hai, Santosh Shivan was given license to create the fire imagery, right? And he does an exceptional job of introducing fire in the song in such a beautiful way. Now we can say symbolically, समझ में नहीं आया, the कहानी बेकार है, terrorist की, but the metaphorical or whatever you want to call it, the combination of those elements, beautiful, worth enjoying. Let's take a look.
छैया छैया सारे इश्क की छाव चल छैया पाओ जन्नत चले चल छैया छैया पाओ जन्नत चले चल छैया चल छैया 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 वो यार है जो खुशबू की तरह जिसकी जुबान उर्दू की तरह मेरी शाम रात मेरी कायनात वो यार मेरा सैया सैया चल छैया 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 चल छैया 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 छैया
चल छैया 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 चल छैया 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 छैया
गुलपोश कभी इतराए कहीं महके तो नजर आ जाए कहीं गुलपोश कभी इतराए कहीं महके तो नजर आ जाए कहीं तावीज बना के पहनूं उसे आयत की तरह मिल जाए कहीं तावीज बना के पहन उसे आयत की तरह मिल जाए कहीं गुलपोश कभी इतराए कहीं महके तो नजर आ जाए कहीं
तावीज़ बना के पहनूं से
वो यार है जो ईमां की तरह मेरा नगमा वही मेरा कलमा वही मेरा नगमा नगमा मेरा कलमा कलमा मेरा कलमा कलमा मेरा नगमा 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 मेरा कलमा कलमा मेरा नगमा नगमा मेरा कलमा कलमा यार मिसाले ओस चले पाओ के तले फिर दोस्त चले कभी डाल डाल कभी बात बात में हवा पे ढूंढूं उसके निशान सारे इश्क की छाव चल छैया छैया सारे इश्क की छाव चल छैया पाओ जन्नत चले चल छैया छैया पाओ जन्नत चले चल छैया चल छैया 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 चल छैया 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 चल छैया 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 छैया
दिल से रे 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 दिल तो आखिर दिल है ना मीठी सी मुश्किल है ना पिया 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 ना पिया जिया 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 ना जिया दिल से रे से उतरे थे फिर उतने मौसम गुजरे वो पक्के दो बेचारे फिर उतने की चाहत में वो सहराओं से गुजरे वो पक्के दिल 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 थे वो दिल थे दिल 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 थे दिल है तो फिर दर्द होगा दर्द है तो दिल भी होगा मौसम गुजरते रहते हैं दिल है तो फिर दर्द होगा दर्द है तो दिल भी होगा मौसम गुजरते रहते दिल से दिल से दिल से दिल से दिल से रे
मजा आ गया.
The last one was in Berkeley, where Irama did a session, I think for a few month or so. Shreya Ghoshal also did one in Berkeley. It was okay. It wasn't great, but it was still worth looking into if people have वेले बैठे हैं ना मेरी तरह, keep on looking.
ए आर रहमान का अगर हमने कभी किसी दिन डिसाइड किया तो उसके तो कम से कम 4-6 एपिसोड करने पड़ेंगे. इतने अच्छे गाने हैं और पिक्चराइजेशन एंड जस्ट व्हाट अ जीनियस, व्हाट अ जीनियस.
I know.
Between SD and AR Rahman, I think those are two gifted artists. So fantastic. आगे चले.
आगे थोड़ा मूड चेंज करेंगे तो बहुत ज्यादा कर दिया तूने रहमान.
मैंने ज्यादा ये मॉडर्न ले आया. Let's go back retro.
Let me bore people with my choices.
हाँ.
So Satyajit Ray
सत्यजीत रे.
wanted to put music in his films, but he wanted to keep it as pure as possible. कि ऐसा किसी ने बोलना शुरू किया तो पूरा ऑर्केस्ट्रा पीछे से आ गया. I mean, once in a while it happened, but generally, whenever he wanted to put a song, he made the actor sing. Although in rare cases, like in Charolata, and we'll perhaps do that another day, Ami Chiningo Tomare was sung by Kishore Kumar. The whole story behind that. But anyway, generally, he would make the actor or actress sing the song itself and record it. Ab logo, mushkil. So I'm going to play 3 of them. So number 1, from Shatranj Ke Khiladi. Everybody knows the movie, Saeed Jaffrey, and Amjad Khan, Gabbar naam tha uska? No, he was in Sholay, right?
Yes.
Amjad Khan is there. I think he's Wajid Ali Shah. And the story as it's related in the film is कि कोई फरियाद कर रहा है, somebody's there and telling, begging for some mercy or something, and this guy is not listening to him. In his mind, he's composing this song, and he's telling that to his darbaris कि मैंने ये song compose किया while I was listening to somebody's faryad, and he sings it. And Amjad song, he bloody well, he can sing yaar. He is good. Itna without music, usko sun, itna acha, just a minute or so of it. So well done. Second part, Wahida Rahman. अब तो पूछेगा कि Wahida Rahman has what got nothing to do with Satyajit Ray. देखो, there was a film called Abhijan. Abhijan, Soumitra Chatterjee is a Sardar, Sikh taxi driver in this Bengali movie. And he gets into a relationship with Wahida Rahman, who's having, I believe she's having problems. She's from Bihar or someplace, some Hindi-speaking area and all that. Usko log tang kar rahe hain, whatever. So they hook up and they start living together and all that. And uski protection deta hai, so forth. And she wants to get his attention. Now, we didn't know Wahida Rahman could sing. Only 3 words, but she sings. We do know that Wahida Rahman was a dancer. She was a bloody Bharatnatyam dancer. I mean, देखो,
Beautiful. Yeah, we covered.
Guide में क्या थे, पिया तो से नैना लागे रहे. There's not a dance move which she has not done. Watch what Satyajit Ray made her do here. It is unbelievable. Simple little thing, अब क्या बताएं. तीसरा वाला, I have heard it 100 times. I thought it was a love song. And then I thought before we play it, let me ask somebody कि मतलब क्या है इस गाने का. Because I thought I understood it, and I generally understood it, but I didn't really know what the actual context was. And my friend Nandini Mandal, who's a well-known, dancer based in Pittsburgh here, she translated it for me and she explained to me what it was about. So it is by Pahari Sanyal. Pahari Sanyal का नाम सुना है? Pahari Sanyal was a Bengali actor, did many films, Harana Shur, and he had small roles in Jagte Raho, Aradhana, Merchant Ivory's Householder वगैरह में, ममता में था ये, छोटे रोल थे, character roles and so forth. Very good actor and a good singer, Pahari Sanyal. And so in this song, Satyajit Ray makes Pahari Sanyal sing without even showing his face. वो बैठा हुआ है और गाना उसने गाना गा दिया. तो this is a thing with people bursting out singing. ये होता नहीं तेरे साथ इंडियन
बैठे बैठे गपशप हो रही है, चल तू गाना गा दे, चल गाना हो गया.
तो you know who Jagmohan Mundra was? I remembered something.
Jagmohan, yeah, he was a director. Yeah.
He passed away, you know. Jagmohan Mundra, jaldi bolte hain. Jagmohan Mundra was IIT Bombay, Marwari graduate, very conservative family. Didn't want to be engineer like me, and wanted to make movies. And he made one movie. Then he made Kamla. Kamla was Shabana Azmi was in it. National award मिला उसको. And he thought कि अब तो क्या बात है, you know, national president's award मिल गया, अब तो जिंदगी बन गई. Bloody hell, nobody cares for art films in India. तो बेचारा भूखा मर रहा था. So somebody said कि हॉलीवुड जाओ, तो उसकी कदर होती है आर्ट फिल्म की. Little he did realize that कि in Hollywood even worse. Nobody cares
Yeah,
for art
yeah.
films and all that. वो बेचारा भूखा मर गया. उसकी शादी हुई है. He has a daughter and all that stuff. So somebody came. I won't name the person. It's a very famous person. In sports, he came to him कि देखो ईस्टर्न यूरोप में पोर्नो फिल्म्स का, स्पेशली सेमाई पोर्नो फिल्म्स की बड़ी डिमांड है. तो तू कर दे, एक दो चार फिल्में बना दे, and then I'll pay you so much money, enough to survive, you know, $40,000-$80,000 a year or something like that, and we'll take it and we'll sell it to, you know, Poland and वगैरह वगैरह उस ज़माने में. This is before the fall of the Soviet Empire and all that. So what could he do? I mean, he has to make a living. So he became famous for making semi-porno movies, you know, which did very well, all of them, because he showed me, he had an Excel sheet कि 15th minute में किस होना है, 30th minutes में ये होना है. And he showed me, I can show you 10 different ways of having intercourse without showing the private parts and all this stuff and so forth, because semi-porno है. And then 40th minute में or 50th minute में helicopter shot होना चाहिए वगैरह वगैरह. He had it organized like an engineer and so forth. So he and I were having dinner. There used to be a restaurant called Mavalli in New York, 28th Street में. तो आप चला गया. South Indian, you know, dosa, best dosa in New York and all that. So he and I were having this. So I told him कि मैं film बना रहा हूँ, and told him my story of my film and all the stuff and so forth. And he says, Harish, बड़ी मुश्किल है. My daughter is growing up. अब वो पूछे कि डैडी क्या करते हैं, डैडी पोर्नो फिल्म बनाते हैं. अब हर मारवाड़ी कंजर्वेटिव फैमिली में सीधे मुंह से, विद स्ट्रेट फेस, हाउ डू यू टेल योर डॉटर कि हम ऐसा काम करते हैं. अब तू देखती फिल्म बना रहा है, तो you know what, I've been thinking about it, and thanks to you, I'm going to stop all that shit, and I'm going to go make proper films. And he decided to make Bhavandar with Nandita Das.
Great film. Yeah.
Great film, yeah. And then he made many other films and so forth and all that. So it changed and so forth.
And
So
his
anyway,
daughter went on to become an independent film director.
Smriti is a very good director. Yeah,
Yeah,
Smriti is
yeah.
very good. Anyway, तो बात याद इसलिए आई कि न्यूयॉर्क में थे हम लोग एक बार, and we were going around a film festival, and there was an event later on in the evening, and we were done for the afternoon, and he and his partner were there. तो बोलता है कि क्या करेगा? You know, I said, you know, nothing. I'm going to sit somewhere in a park or something. He said, चलो मेरे साथ चल. So we went to his room. So he had this big room, you know, 2 beds for these 2 guys and all that. मैं थका हुआ था, so I lay down, and so here's his friend on one side, I'm lying down, and Jumon is sitting next to me, facing the wall. उसके पास कागज वागज थे, and he's, you know, so we're sitting quietly, we're trying to take a nap, and all of a sudden, out of nowhere, he starts singing, मुझे मोहे भूल गए सांवरिया, बैजू बावरा का गाना. Just like that. Had a beautiful voice. Just like that. मैं भूल गए सांवरिया, आवन कह गए, अजहू नहाए लीना मोरी खबरिया.
ये देसी स्पेशल है. दिस इज सच ए
Oh my
डीपली कल्चरल थिंग कि जब करो, आजकल का मॉडर्न वर्जन है कि आप करियोके, बैठे हैं 4 दोस्त करियोके कर लेते हैं,
Karaoke.
अंतराक्षरी कर लेते हैं. दैट्स एग्जैक्टली व्हाट इट इज.
I know, but I was so touching because कोई शर्म नहीं, कोई फिक्र नहीं, कोई what I will think, somebody will say, ना ठीक है, गाने का मन किया, गाना कर दिया, ऐसी क्या बात है. Anyway, so this song is a Brahmo Sangeet. Promo Samaj hota hai na, Atul Prasad Sen
हाँ हाँ हाँ
wrote this song, and he was Satyajit Ray's maternal uncle. So this is, he beckons me. I'll give a few lines so people will know. He beckons me, without that friend, my mind is restless. At dawn, just to see him, the flower birds open, the bees call out his name, the fountains sing his praise, and so on and so forth. Aranyer Din Ratri mein ye gana tha. Watch this. So I tell you, I cannot explain this. I've heard it 100 times. I get emotional. Every bloody time I listen to it, I have to control myself. Itna acha hai, just perfection. Just perfection.
चलो
गाने सुना दो।
सेटअप हो गया, 3 गाने सत्यजीत रेत के सुनते हैं।
बहुत बोलता है तू।
मैंने सोचा था कि चुप हो जाऊं।
कौन देश गयो सावरिया, उबल आई अखियाँ मदवारी, तरक तरक गई चुनरिया। तुमरे घोड़न मोरे द्वार से जो निकसे, सुध भूल गए मैं बावरिया। तरफ तरफ सगरी रैन गुजरी, कौन देश गयो सावरिया।
কিছু দাদুর গলা? হ্যাঁ, তাই তো মনে হচ্ছে। খোলে কুসুম কলি প্রভাতে যারে দেখিবে বলি, দ্বার খোলে কুসুম কলি কুঞ্জে ফুকারে অলি, যাহারে বারে বারে সে ডাকে আমারে বিনা সে সখারে। নিঝর কল কণ্ঠ গীতি বন্দে যাহারে, শৈল বন পুষ্প কুল নন্দে যাহারে। যার প্রেমে চন্দ্র তারা কাটে নিশি নিদ্রাহারা, যার প্রেমে চন্দ্র তারা কাটে নিশি নিদ্রাহারা। যার প্রেমের ধারা বহিছে শত ধারে, সে ডাকে আমারে বিনা সে সখারে। রহিতে মন নারে সে ডাকে আমারে।
आज ही से बाबा অনেকে তোমার গান শুনেছেন।
I know you're doing film songs, but तूने गड़बड़ कर दी ना, तो तूने कहाँ से लगा दिया? सीरीज लगा दी, कमर्शियल लगा दिया, and all the stuff and all that. So I am going to take the liberty of showing something else. So people, don't run away. Please listen to me. If you trust us so far, it's going to be worthwhile. So there is a thing called Patiala Gharana. There are different Gharana, Jaipur Gharana, Atroli Gharana, all those different Indian, North Indian classical music Gharanas. Patiala Gharana was started during the time of Bahadur Shah Zafar, Muslim singers and all that. I won't give you all the names because then it'll get too complicated, but everybody knows Bade Ghulam Ali Khan. Bade Ghulam Ali Khan was very famous, very wonderful and all that. He had two sons. One of them was Munawwar Ali Khan. And if you are interested in classical music, look up Munawwar Ali Khan. बहुत 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 अच्छा. He even sang, among other things, Punjabi classical music and all that. Ghulam Ali is from Ghulam Ali, the ghazal singer,
Yeah,
is from
yeah.
Patiala Gharan. Anyway, they died. Munawwar Ali died, Bade Ghulam Ali Khan died, and so forth. So this is Patiala Gharana. Patiala का राजा सरदार जी था, सिख था, singers Muslim. Patiala Gharana चल रहा है. And this is about to finish off. It is taken up by Ajay Chakravarti all the way into Kolkata, Bengali Admi, Brahmin Bengali Admi, the Muslim tradition, which is being promoted by a Sikh ruler. Dekho, you know what I'm trying to do here? I'm trying to tell you, show you a picture of our country.
That's
Our
right.
diversity,
That's right.
our richness, and our beautiful, beautiful stuff which goes on. So Ajay Chakravarti takes up Patiala Gharana, and he's a good singer. वो जा रहा है, चलता जा रहा है. He has a daughter. Daughter's name is Kaushiki Chakravarti. Kaushiki को सिखाता है. Kaushiki is good. Kaushiki becomes a teenager. But Ajay Chakravarti is not very sure if she's ready. I mean, you can't just say like an American, कि हाँ, I'm ready, चलो अब हम जाते हैं, we'll conquer the world. India, especially music, arts में, musical tradition में, some guru has to give you आशीर्वाद कि तुम तैयार हो. नहीं तो तैयार नहीं हो.
That's right.
So he writes to, listen to this, Vilayat Khan, sitar player, Vilayat Khan, who at that time was living in Princeton. He writes to Vilayat Khan कि मेरी लड़की बड़ी हो गई है, and she's singer. I think she's ready. I'm not sure. May I bring her to you and sing for you? और आप बताइए कि अभी और रियाज करना है या she's ready to go. So a private concert was held in a home in Princeton, big living room, but we were about 25, 30 of us. Vilayat Khan sitting in the front row, rings chal rahe hain, all that stuff. And Ajay Chakravarti says a few words, sings a little bit, and then Kaushiki sings. And she sings beautifully, beautifully. And Vilayat Khan usko आशीर्वाद दिया. I told Ajay, I said, she's going to be better than you, and she is better than him. And so forth. So, look at this. Patiala, Sikh king, Muslim singer, Brahmin, Vilayat Khan, America, वगैरह वगैरह चल रहा है. She has become a wonderful singer. So this is a story about diversity. So what I'm going to play, please don't go away. Give me 3 minutes. It's actually 7 minutes long, but it's actually, watch it for 3 minutes, because something happens at around third minute. Very, very small little thing happens, which pretty much in a second, in 5 seconds, sums up our culture, our sanskars, our background, our diversity. Look at the joy on these people's faces who are singing. They're not singing any difficult words. They are singing Sargam, and it's from the song Uru Murai, which I think it means Ek Nazar and all. It's Rag Hansadhwani. It's a fusion of North and South Indian music. And it is Sandeep Narayan, who's probably one of the most popular, best Carnatic singers, and Kaushiki. Look at the joy, look at the happiness, look at the humility, look at the respect, and unbelievable music. Stick with it till the end.
Thank you. We'll play it, but just so that people know, this is going to be our closing sequence. Today,
तो अब तो लोग चले जाएंगे, तो फिर
नहीं
लोग
नहीं
चले
नहीं
जाएंगे.
3 मिनट तो रुक जाएंगे.
रमोना जाना नहीं.
So this is, we would love to get feedback on whether you like this format of, best songs. We have a lot more to cover. We could do more episodes on this topic. If you are interested in it, please email us with your best picturized songs with reasons why you think that should be included. And if we have enough interest, we will do a follow-on episode on best picturized songs. Otherwise, Hanji.
क्या करना है otherwise?
Otherwise, Jaidev. We
अरे
are
क्या
doing
बात,
Jaidev next
क्या
time
बात है, क्या
till
बात
we hear from people otherwise. So with those announcements, please share this news about this Bathak to your friends, circulate it, and we will close out with this beautiful performance of Kaushiki Chakrabarti. And it's a long piece. Stay with us, enjoy it, and we'll see you next time.
Sa sa